Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our lesson today 5-2, direct variation, and our objective is to write and graph an equation of direct variation. Let us define the direct variation. The direct variation is a relationship, okay, that can be represented by a function, and the function is y equal k, which k is a constant multiply by x. Okay, the k cannot be equal 0. So the k is constant, my dear student. It is a number. Okay, so you have two variable here, which is y and the x, and you have the k as a number. Okay, and our mission today to find the k sometimes, okay, to write the direct variation equation. Okay, first of all, let us determine if those equations are direct variation equations or not. For example, here number 9, okay, regarding to this question, determine whether each equation represents direct variation. If does, find the constant of variation. Okay, that's fine. Okay, the first equation, my dear student, it is 2y equal 5x plus 1. Every time we try to make the y alone and happy in one side, this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay, how I can make this y alone and happy? Yes, divide by 2, divide by 2, and divide by 2. Okay, so this will be eliminated, the y alone and happy now, and this will be 5 over 2 here. Okay, 5 over 2x, and this will be 1 over 2. Okay, remember that the direct variation equation, it's y equal k multiply x and stop. But here we have something here, okay, different from the general form of direct variation or equation, okay, which is the 1 plus 1 over 2. So this is not a direct variation equation, okay, it is just linear equation. Okay, this is the first way. The second way, and the easy way, and that I learned to my student, if you have like this equation, you have to make sure the number have a letter or the variable. Okay, the number have a letter, a variable. It is not come alone. The number have, oh, it is not, it doesn't have, yes. So because we have a number does not have a variable, okay, here, so it is not a direct variation equation. Okay, my dear student, easy, yes, great boy. Let us move to number 10 here. Okay, let us apply the second way. The 8 come with the x, the 9 come with the y, but the 10 come alone. Because of that, it is not direct variation equation. Okay, great boys. Now let us move to number 11 here. Okay, and let us check. The negative 12 come with the x and the 6 come with the y. Okay, so each number has a variable, or stick with the variable, that's okay, it's helped me. And now I have to write it as y equal k multiply x, the general form of direct variation. How come? Okay, the main idea here, the y alone and happy, okay, like you. Okay, but how I can make this, okay, in subject of y, the y alone and happy? It is written as 6y equal negative 12x. Teacher, it is negative 12x equals 6y. My boy, it is the same. Okay, but here you have to do what? Teacher, we have to make the y alone and happy. How come? Yes, divide by 6 both side. So when I divide by 6, the y will be alone and happy, and here I will do calculation here. Okay, it is negative 12 divided by 6, which equal negative 2. Okay, so here it is negative 2. Now compare between the general form of direct variation equation and C. Yes, it is almost the same. Yes, so what is the K here? Clearly it is negative 2. So the constant of a variation K equal negative 2. Okay, my dear student, I hope you got it. Okay, let us move to the next question, my dear student. I will not take a long of time from your precious time. Okay, and I will move to number 12 and make my way. And here the 1 is come with the y, the 8 come with no variable, so directly I say it is not direct variation equation, it is just linear equation. Okay, my dear student. Okay, let us move to the next one. I will erase this, and we are here in number 13. In number 13, some student, okay, I will apply your way, teacher. The negative 4 come alone, so it is not direct variation equation. I said be patient and be calm also. So before you are in hurry to answer, you have to combine the like terms before. So the negative 4 here with the plus 4, it will be eliminated. So okay, so 7x equal 3y. Now what happened? The 7 come with the x and the 3 also come with the y. So I have direct variation equation. Now I'm trying to make the y alone. Okay, let me switch it. Okay, I like to start with the y. 3y equal 7x. I can write it like this. Don't hesitate about this. Okay, erase this, erase everything here. I'm here, my student. Now we have to make the y alone and happy. So what I have to do? Yes, tell me. Great. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. The y coming alone and happy? Yes. And 7 over 3. You can keep it 7 over 3, my dear student. You can keep it. Don't touch it. Keep it as improper fraction. Yes. So compare it between y equal kx. So you find out the k equals 7 over 3. Okay, so you write this constant variation equals 7 over 3, my teacher. And you are good now. Very good. Okay, now the last one here, number 14. See, the 0.7 or the 7/10 come with x. Good. The 1.4 come with the y. But the teacher, the 0 come alone. Ignore the 0, okay? Ignore it. So it is direct variation equation. So I will rewrite it again. It is 0.7x minus 1.4y equal 0. Okay, the question is in your head how I can make the y alone and happy. Actually, you can move the y and its coefficient to the left side, because to the right side, because this is the left side and this is the right side. I can move it, this guy, to the right side. So it will be 0.7x equal 1.4y. Okay, I can switch it. 1.4y equal 0.7x. Now divide by, yes, 1.4 to make the y alone and happy, and here 1.4. So this is eliminated and the y now alone and happy, and 0.7 divided by 1.4 equal 1 over 2. Okay, my dear student, this is 1 over 2, and because of that k equal 1 over 2. Thank you for watching, and this is the first part of 5-2, how to determine the direct variation equation. Okay, goodbye.